morning students. Once again welcome back in maths class. Today again we continue our exercise 9.4. Till question 3 we have done in the previous video. Today we will start question number 4. Okay. So now question number 4 is there. Find the quotients in each of the following. You have to find their quotient. So what is quotient? Answer of division is called quotient. So here you have to find the quotient. आपको यहाँ पे क्या फाइंड करना है? क्वोशिएंट. ए पार्ट इज हियर 9 किलोमीटर, 5 हेक्टोमीटर, 6 डेकामीटर, 4 मीटर. ओके, यहाँ पे ऑल यूनिट्स गिवन 9 किलोमीटर, 5 हेक्टोमीटर, 6 डेकामीटर, 4 मीटर divided by 12. So first of all we convert these units into the higher, otherwise in the lower unit, because all units are given here. So firstly we make them in the we convert this into the smaller unit, otherwise into the higher unit. Okay, so we take our question. 9 kilometer, 5 hectometer, 6 decameter and 4 meter. Okay, so first of all what will we do? First of all we convert them. Okay, we can convert into the higher unit also, we can convert this into the lower unit also. Higher में convert करेंगे so it will be changed into the decimal form, because whenever we convert into the higher unit that's come in the decimal, and when we convert into the lower unit so it will be without a decimal. Okay, so as you will by the both method you will get the same answer. Okay, so here I am converting into the lower unit, क्योंकि lower में आपका without decimal हो जाएगा, higher में करोगे तो आपका decimal में हो जाएगा. Okay, if there is any column missing, so at the place of that we take 0. Suppose करो यहाँ पे 6 डेकामीटर नहीं होता. Okay, तो हम क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे 9 किलोमीटर, 5 हेक्टोमीटर, 4 meter. Now there is no decameter, so at the place of decameter we take 0. If there is any column missing, any unit means any unit is missing here, so we put there 0. At the place of that unit we use 0. But here is nothing missing, कोई भी missing नहीं है, so directly we will write all the units number. Whatever number is given in each unit, that we have to write. So 9 kilometer, so we will write here 9, then 5, then 6, then 4. Now it's become meter. Okay, अभी सर आपका क्या हो गया? Meter. Now we will divide. If you are doing in the kilometer, so it's become 9.564 kilometer. Okay, अगर आप इसको किलोमीटर में करोगे so it's become 9.6564. Okay, clear? But we are converting into the lower unit without decimal, so it's become 9564. Okay, now we will do divide 9564 meter divided by 12. So we divide here 9564 divided by 12. Okay, now if we take single digit, so it is smaller than 12. Single digit तो आपकी 12 से small हो जाएगी, so we take 2 digit together, so it's become 95. Now in 12 table where is 95? We don't have, so we will take on the 7. 12 sevens are 84. Now we do minus. 5 minus 4 1, 9 minus 8 1. Now we do down 6. It's 116. Again we speak the 12 table where we have 116. We don't have, so we'll take on the 9. 12 nines are 108. Okay, 12 tens are 120. 120 is greater than 116. And second thing, we never take on the 10. We finish on the 9. अगर आपका आंसर यहाँ पे 10 पे आ रहा है तो दैट मीन्स योर ओल्ड प्रोसेस इज रॉन्ग. आप पीछे प्रोसेस में मिस्टेक करते हुए आ रहे हो. दैट्स व्हाई यू आर गेटिंग ऑन द 10. सो वी विल गेट हियर ऑन द 9. 12 lines. 12 lines are 108. Now we do minus. 16 minus 8 is 8. And now there is 0, 0. Now we note down next is 4. Again 12 sevens are 84. Now 84 minus 84, that's 0. So now your remainder is 0. Okay. And what's your quotient? 797. So we write here quotient 797 meter, because here is meter. We take here meter. So it's become 797 meter. Now we can separate like the question. जैसे question में इनको अलग अलग कर रखा है, ऐसे ही हम इनको separate कर देंगे हम. So smallest one is meter. Then down up of meter is decameter, and this is hectometer. So 7 hectometer, 9 decameter, and again 7 is meter. That's your answer. We have done separation like the question. Question में जैसे separate कर रखा था, वैसे हमने answer में भी इसको separate कर दिया. So that's your answer. Okay. The same way you can do its B part also. वहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 unit given है आपको B part में, meter and decameter, not 2 units. In the B part also like this. ऐसे ही आपको separate कर रखी सारी units. और C and D में आपके पास, उसमें भी आपके पास ऐसे ही C part में भी आपको different units given है, and D में only 2 units given है. So like that you have to make them in the smaller unit. Higher में करना चाहो तो higher में कर सकते हो. So that will be in the decimal. Higher में करोगे तो decimal में होगा, और smaller में करोगे तो without a decimal. So as your wish you can do, and the same process you will follow in the B, C and D part. So B, C, D part you will do yourself. Now we will do question number 5. Question number 5. Solve the word problems. Here you have to solve the word problems. Here is given A part. Akash travelled 1224 km and 327 meter. Okay. Then Ruhi travelled. Travelled मतलब घूमना, travelling करना. Ruhi travelled 924 km and 28 meter. Then on third number, and Parul travelled. Parul जो है 2498 km and 370 meter. Parul ने ये travel किया. So find the total distance travelled by them. तो उन्होंने total distance कितना travel किया, और सबका आपको मिला के बताना है. How much total distance they travelled. उन्होंने कितना travel किया. Okay. So first of all we write here solution. We will start and we write here Akash travelled. आकाश ने कितनी travelling की? 1224 किलोमीटर. 1224 kilometer. Okay. Then 327 meter. 327 meter. That kilometer and meter you can write on the top also. यहाँ पे आप ऊपर भी write कर सकते हो heading. Okay. As you wish you can do. इनके साथ साथ भी write कर सकते हैं और हम heading भी write कर सकते हैं. The next one is Ruhi travelled. Ruhi ने कितनी travelling की? 924 kilometers. So 924 is a 3-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. So write and down the 3 column. 1 stands 100 of kilometer. So it's become 924 kilometer, and then 28 meter. In 28 also we have 2 digit. So in meter, 1 and 10 column we write 28 meter. Clear? Now third one is Parul travelled. How much Parul travelled? 2498 kilometer. 2498 kilometer and 370 meter. So in 100 column we write 370. Now there is no 100 column, we make there 0. That's a meter. Clear? Now we have written all. Now find the total distance travelled by them. So write here total distance travelled by them. And for that we will do plus here. Okay. So we put the symbol of plus. And we make here 0 because there is no digit. Now we do addition. 7 plus 8, 15. We write here 5 and 1 goes carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 goes carry. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Now next kilometers. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. We write here 4. And 1 goes carry. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. We write here 6. And 1 goes carry. Now 1 plus 1, 2. And 2 plus 2, that's 4. So we write here 4. Now this one is kilometer and this one is meter. So we should write their column also. There is kilometer and there is meter. That's your answer. So now we write the last line. So the total distance. So the total distance distance 4646 kilometer, 4646 kilometer and 725 meter traveled by them, traveled by them. Okay, that you have to write here. Now this is your answer. So the total distance 4646 kilometer and 725 meter traveled by them. That's your answer. So like this you have to solve the A part. Now after that we will do B part. Question 5, B part. Max filled 7 bottles of 500 ml capacity with water. Max जो है 7 bottles fill करता है and the bottle capacity, one bottle capacity is 500 ml. जो 500 ml है वो one bottle की capacity है. So how much water do all bottles contain? तो अब सारी bottles में कितना, सारी bottles का मिला के कितना water उनमें होगा. अब आपको one bottle की capacity पता है, you can find the 7 bottle for that. What will we do? We will do multiply because we know the one bottle capacity. And we are finding 7 bottles. For that we will do multiplication. So now we will do our solution. Capacity of each bottle. Each bottle की capacity क्या given आपको 500 ml. Now number of bottles. How many bottles are there? 7. So we write here 7. Now all bottles contain water because there is asking that how much water do all bottles contain. So for that we will do multiply 500 ml multiply by 7. So by the 7 we can orally multiply. 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35. 3500 ml. And if you want to write, we can write that 3 liter 500 milliliter. That's your answer. Okay. If you want to write soline, so you can write soline also. So 3 liter 500 milliliter, all bottle contains water. Otherwise you can leave here. Okay. Now after that we will do C part. Now question number 5, C part. Meera bought 224 meter and 24 centimeter of cloth. Cloth है, उसमें से उसके पास है, मीरा के पास 224 meter and 24 centimeter. She gave 104 meter and 17 centimeter to Sweta. उसमें से उसने 104 meter 17 centimeter जो है वो श्वेता को दे दिया. And 27 meter 54 centimeter to खुशी. और 27 meter 54 centimeter उसने खुशी को दे दिया. So how much cloth is left with her? तो अब उसके पास कितना क्लॉथ बच गया. So there is 2 method to do this question. इस क्वेश्चन को करने के 2 मेथड है हमारे पास. One is this total cloth is this one. Firstly we subtract cloth that she gave to Sweta. जो उसने श्वेता को दिया उस क्लॉथ को हम इसमें से माइनस कर दें. फिर जो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा उसमें से हम जो क्लॉथ उसने खुशी को दिया उसको माइनस कर दें. So how much cloth left with her, that we will get. One process is that. Second is what? We have to do addition of given clothes. जो क्लॉथ वो दे रही है उसका हम क्या करेंगे, एडिशन, उसको हम प्लस कर रहे जो क्लॉथ देना है, और टोटल में से माइनस. तो हम सेकंड प्रोसेस फॉलो करेंगे. पहले हम प्लस करेंगे जो क्लॉथ देना है उसको, और फिर टोटल में से माइनस. ओके, सो लेट वी स्टार्ट सॉल्यूशन. मीरा गेव क्लॉथ टू श्वेता. सबसे पहले उसने श्वेता को दिया. यहाँ पे हम मीरा सी की जगह हमने यहाँ पे सी गेव दे रखा है, बट हमने मीरा यूज किया. व्हाई? बिकॉज हियर इज एक्सप्लेनिंग मीरा इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, बट वी डोंट एक्सप्लेन. जब हमने सॉल्यूशन किया तो हमने मीरा का नेम कहीं राइट ही नहीं किया, तो हम सी राइट नहीं कर सकते. सो विल राइट हियर मीरा गेव क्लॉथ टू श्वेता इक्वल्स टू 104 meter. This is meter and 17 centimeter. Then next is she gave cloth to खुशी. ये इसने खुशी को दिया, तो खुशी का है 27 मीटर. तो यहाँ पे हम राइट करेंगे she gave cloth to खुशी equals to 27 meter and 54 centimeter. This is she gave to खुशी. और मीरा, मीरा ने खुशी को दिया. Now total cloth she gave. तो अब हम टोटल क्लॉथ फाइंड करेंगे जितना उसने दिया, टोटल क्लॉथ. सो फॉर दैट वी विल डू प्लस. टोटल क्लॉथ के लिए हम यहाँ पे प्लस करेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ डू एडिशन. 7 + 4 11. 1 goes can. 5 + 1 6. 6 + 1 7. Now 4 + 7 that's 11. 1 goes can. 2 + 1 3. 3 + 0 3, and there is 1. So 131 meter and 71 centimeter. ये क्लॉथ क्या है, मीरा ने दिया. टोटल क्लॉथ जो उसने दे दिया, बट हमें निकालना है कि अब उसके पास कितना बचा. देने के बाद जो बचा, तो देने के बाद कितना बचा उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे. मीरा बॉट क्लॉथ. मीरा ने कितना कपड़ा खरीदा, 224. ये हमारा यहाँ फिनिश हो गया. वी कैन मेक हियर लाइन. Now we can leave one line space. यहाँ पे one line का space छोड़ेंगे. Next line से हम write करेंगे मीरा bought cloth. That's 224 meter and 24 centimeter. Okay. Now total cloth she gave. उसने total cloth कितना दिया? That is 131 meter and 71 centimeter. So we write here 131 meter and 71 centimeter. ये इसने दे दिया. अब आपसे पूछा क्लॉथ इज लेफ्ट विद हर, कि उसके पास कितना कपड़ा बचा. तो फॉर दैट वी विल डू माइनस. सो वी यूज हियर माइनस सिंबल. नाउ वी डू माइनस. 4 - 1 3. नाउ वी कांट सबट्रैक्ट 7 from 2, so for that we will take a borrowing. So now it's become 12. 12 minus यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3 and there is 12. 12 minus 7 5. Now 3 minus 1 and 2, and again we can't subtract 3 from 2, so again we will take borrowing. So there will be 1. There is 12. 12 minus 3 9, and 1 minus 1 0. So it's become 92 meter 53 centimeter. So we write here 92 meter 53 centimeter. That cloth is left with her. So we write here, so 92 meter 53 centimeter cloth is left with her. Left with her. That's your answer. Okay. So 52 meter, 92 meter 53 centimeters. 53 तो सेंटीमीटर है और 92 मीटर. Cloth is left with her. Here we can write left with Meera also. Meera का नेम भी हम राइट कर सकते हैं her. Her means here is we are talking about the Meera. So 92 meter 53 centimeter cloth is left with have. That's your answer. Now after that, D part. D part, Ron had 15.435 kg of sweet. Ron के पास 15.435 kg sweets हैं. She distributed it among 5 friends. उसने जो है ये सारी स्वीट्स किस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की? 5 फ्रेंड्स में इक्वली, सभी फ्रेंड्स को इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट की. हाउ मच डिड ईच गेट? तो हर एक को कितनी स्वीट मिलेगी? अब आपको बताना है कि हाउ मच ईच गेट, कि ईच फ्रेंड को कितनी स्वीट्स मिलेगी. फॉर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट आवर सॉल्यूशन. अब ईच फ्रेंड का निकालना, व्हेनेवर वी हैव ईच, सो इन दैट कंडीशन वी ऑलवेज डू डिवाइड. ओके, ईच का मतलब हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? डिवाइड. ओके, ईच का मतलब होता है हर एक, हर एक का निकालने के लिए, एवरीवन के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? डिवाइड. सो नाउ वी विल डू डिवाइड हियर. सॉल्यूशन, Ron had sweets equals to 15.435 kg. Okay, now she distributed among 5 friends. इसको उसने 5 friends में distribute किया. Each friend will get sweets. तो हर एक फ्रेंड को स्वीट्स मिलेगी. कितनी मिलेगी? 15.435 kg divided by 5. 5 फ्रेंड्स में हम इसको क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड. ओके, सो डिवाइडेड बाय 5. नाउ वी विल डू डिवाइड हियर. 15.435 डिवाइडेड बाय 5. 5 से डिवाइड कर दें. नाउ 1 is smaller than 5, so we'll take here 2 digit. This is 15. So 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 15, 0. Now we note down 4. 4 is not divisible by 5 because it is less than 5. So 5 zeros are 0. We will divide on 0. Okay. 4 minus 0, that is 4. Now we note down next is 3. 5 8s are 40. 43 minus 40, that's 3. Now we note down 5. It's 35. 5 7s are 35. 35 minus 35, that's 0. Now your remainder is 0. Okay. And your quotient. Now there is, count the decimal place. 1, 2, 3 decimal place. So in quotient also 3 decimal place. 1, 2, 3. So it's become 3.087 kg. So we write here 3.087 kg. Okay. So now we can write, so each friend will get, so each friend will get 3.087 kg sweets. Okay. And we can say that 3 kg and 87 gram. हम इसको ऐसे बोल सकते हैं 3 kg and 87 gram. That is sweets. Now this is your answer. So like this, our exercise 9.4 is finished. So today we will do question number 4 and 5 of exercise 9.4. Thank you.